Welcome to StockEdgeAcademy.com. Most of the people ask question, sir, how to use your levels given in Telegram. So for that, I'm making a video today to tell you how exactly you should use the levels. In Telegram, I mentioned Nifty bullish above 22,149.45. So mark these levels on the chart, both sides, bullish above this. And after market starting, mark the high and low of first 5 minutes. If the next candle is closing above the high of first candle, then go for buy. And once the first target is crossed in closing basis, your stop loss is moved from, initially you put stop loss at bearish below, it is 22,097.85 when you take a buy trade. When first target is achieved on closing basis, you move your stop loss to your bullish above price, that is 22,149. Once the second target is achieved on closing basis, move your stop loss to first target 22,266.45. And similarly, when third target is achieved on closing basis, you move your stop loss on 22,296.25, that is second target. And fourth is achieved, you move your stop loss to 22,448. So this way you can trail your profit and you can go on locking profits. If you take one lot and if you are out in the first target itself, then again, if the market gives chance, you enter and go for the next targets. Otherwise, you take 5 lots and accordingly you book the targets. Okay? I hope this is clear. Thank you for your patient hearing. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel.